But first, the trial for the state of Texas case against the Walmart shooter will more likely not begin until summer of 2026. District Judge Sam Medrano released a tentative scheduling order this morning, laying out the court's plan to prosecuting gunman Patrick Crusius. Under the order, jury selection is expected to take several months. Our KTSM 9 News reporter Tirza Ortiz is downtown with more. Hi, Tirza.
That's right, Estella. While 2026 may seem far away, especially for families and victims of the August 3rd shooting, trying a murder case, especially one with the death penalty on the table, is a long process. Now, I actually spoke with both candidates for district attorney about this topic a little over a month ago, and they shared with me the reason for the lengthy timeline.
Capital cases take a long time. Murder cases take longer than other cases, and cases where the state is seeking the death penalty take even longer.
5 years later, and the scheduling order for the state of Texas to begin its case against the Walmart shooter Patrick Crusius has been released, indicating the gunman could face trial on capital murder charges in 2026. The state's wait to put Crusius on the stand for killing 23 people and injuring dozens more years in the making.
So because he's sitting in federal custody for 3.5 years, the state case was paused. We can't have a motion to suppress, we can't have a motion on the experts, we can't start jury selection. We cannot do anything while he's in federal custody because the judge in the state case has no power to compel the county jail to turn him over into state custody and bring him into state court.
Judge Sam Medrano's timeline spanning months due to the lengthy process behind jury selection.
We're probably going to have to send out questionnaires to over 2,000 potential jurors to finally weed down to see who is qualified to sit on the case.
Jury selection is scheduled to start in November 2025, leading into the tedious task of separately questioning potential jurors, known as voir dire, in January of 2026.
Each of those jurors must be interviewed individually because of the nature of the case. So we're talking about capital murder cases. Each side, each attorney will have an opportunity to ask questions. The judge will have an opportunity to ask questions of that individual juror. So you can imagine by the time you get through, we'll say 200 folks, we could be talking about, it makes sense, it would be several weeks, if not months, to get that done.
Now, this case is expected to be the largest, one of the largest in the state or in the history of the U.S. And of course, these scheduling hearings can change as the proceedings move along. But of course, we'll keep you updated on air and online if any of those happen. For now, live in downtown, Tirza Ortiz, KTSM 9 News, back to you.
Okay, Tirza, thank you very much. And by the way, the scheduling order for the Walmart shooting case comes as a jury in Boulder County, Colorado, found the gunman Ahmad Al-Alawi Alisa guilty of the 55 crimes in the 2021 shooting at a grocery store. 10 people were killed in that shooting.